Alright, I'm about to install these spacers. Got the balance jack over there ready to go. See the fitment on it before and after. So it's not the greatest, as you could tell. Oh yeah, that shit looks a lot more mean. Alright, we do have this side on already. Pretty simple install. Does look a little bit more aggressive. Gotta paint my fenders, I know, just for reference. Here's the other side, still need to do. Quick test drive. They ride pretty smooth. Going around 65. Haven't calibrated my speedometer, but I'll say that's right around 55 with the flow of traffic. No vibrations. So far so good. As long as my wheel doesn't fall off, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, I drove it for a few miles. Time to retorque them. I did discover it's fucking hitting right here whenever I turn. So I'm gonna have to trim that. Alright, trimmed it down a little bit. Almost flush with that right there. We'll see how it goes. I might have to end up raising it up a little bit more as well. All right, so damn near with trimming that was enough for now.